afternoon. Ayan. Hello! Working na? Perfect. Yung screen ko and all. Hello! Hi, everyone! Hello. Good evening. Kung nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, iba pala kay Ava, no? Afternoon. 5 hours behind pala. Good afternoon, Ava. And to those of you who are watching live or mag-replay, and yes, I hope you are all doing well. Umulan pa lang actually dito. Sana you guys are safe, lalo na mga nandito sa Luzon area. And yes. So, yeah, my name pala is Coco. I'm Coco Rakeputing. I'm a former OFW. I used to work as an international flight attendant for more than 80 countries. And what else? I've been to 5 different continents. And I've flown how many flights? More than 1,000 flights. Kaya ang dami ko na palang flight. So our topic kasi tonight is about glowing skin while traveling. So definitely I can say that I'm the perfect person to have this topic kasi I really love traveling. So yes, I used to work as a flight attendant before, but now I am happy doing and building business in wellness and financial freedom. So yes, our topic for tonight is the secret to glowing skin, even when traveling. So I'll just quickly share my photos. I hindi na align. Oh well. I'll just quickly share my photos kasi yes, let's be honest, we always prepare for our travels, especially mga Asians tayo. We always want our photos to be perfect. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna quickly share how the products can help us on how we can have those picture perfect photos. So yes, whenever we travel, it's also our memories. So yes, dapat lang maganda tayo dyan, di ba? So here's my photos that I had last year. Last year lang to. So this is in Japan and Vietnam. Mag-share lang ako ng photos ha. So for those of you who haven't eaten yet, medyo makamaumay kayo. So here is my photos as well taken. Syempre, if I always want to make sure that my skin is looking perfect whenever I travel. So especially for skydiving, hindi naman every day skydiving. I know it's feeling ko it's just once in a lifetime. I would love to do it again. Pero syempre, during those days, during that time na nag-skydiving ka, syempre gusto mo na wala kang breakout man lang. So you can look perfect kahit lumilipad ka na sa ere. And what else? Ayun, syempre kahit namumundok tayo. Can you guys guess where this photo is? Kahit namumundok tayo, yan, fresh pa rin. Diba? Oh, shucks. Ba't nawala yung ilaw? Nawala yung ilaw ko. Sayang. Kala ko nag-brown out. Oh. Hmm. I want my ring light. Oh well, ganyan talaga sa sayang, wala na yung ilaw ko. Akala ko brown out. Saan na tayo? So yan, the photo, yung second photo naman, that's bagong gising lang. Diba? Who wants to wake up fresh and ready for picture kaagad? And sino dito yung mahilig mag-travel? Sama niyo naman ako para ako taga-picture niyo. Ayan. Uy. Ayan, sina Awat diyan mahilig mag-travel, oo naman. Ay, where is the right? Ayan. So, what's next? So, before that, yan, before, before using all these products that I'm currently using right now, ito yung torture sa mukha ko back then. So, I have to go through facials. Kung izo-zoom nyo yan, kitang-kita talaga yung mga sugat-sugat sa mukha ko. And that's really how painful it is kung nagpapaganda ka, di ba? Di ba? So, yun. Parang just looking at this picture, parang na-feel ko pa rin yung pain na yun. So, yes. So at least right now, I don't have to endure that pain anymore. So, what's next? Grabe. Oo. Kawawa, di ba yung mukha ko? Kung makagrabe naman, parang ang pangit-pangit ko talaga. Pero yun nga naman talaga. Feel na feel ko naman yan. Iba din, kaka-makeup ba yan? Um, Good question, Ako. Kaka-makeup ba to? This was actually before applying as a flight attendant. So yung mga time na yon, um, mga desperate ako mag-ayos ng mukha. Magpaayos ng mukha. Sadly, hindi ko pa na-meet yung new skin nun, no? Pero ginawa ko lahat para umayos yung mukha ko. I mean, hindi ko naman ginawa magpa-plastic surgery. Hindi ko afford pag ganun. Yung pinakamahal ko yatang nagawa was scar remover. Kasi medyo naging, ano ba yun? Parang feeling, medyo nalulow esteem ako with the scars on my face. Kasi I'm okay naman with my face. Pero, for some reason, pag nag-apply ka for airlines, tinututukan nila yung mukha mo. So, aside for all those pimples, may kita na may chickenpox scars ako sa face na ganun sila grabe mag ano ba yun, mag-check ng skin, ng skin namin. So yun, kailangan, ano, para sa pangarap, diba back then, simple lang yung pangarap ko eh. Kaya yun, ito yung I have to go through para mag-apply as a flight attendant. So, yes, at least ngayon, with what we're doing, um, yung gusto ko ngayon is yung gusto ko ngayon is with our skincare, we don't have to go through all. For me, we have a lot of products in the market. Masaya pa nga pag nag-skincare tayo kasi parang minamasahe pa yung mukha natin. I don't know, for me kasi it relaxes. So, yun, natutuwa din ako sa mga namimili dito sa new skin. Kasi you can really tell that their age is really, like their face looks really younger than their age. Diba? So, yun. What else? Saan pa? Ayan. Sorry naman. Tingnan niyo naman yung mukha ko talaga. Kitang-kita pa yung pimples. Sayang ang pangit na kasi ng picture quality before eh. So, hindi pa masyadong na-focus talaga yung mga pimples ng mukha ko. No? Pero, yan. Sorry naman, guys. Yan. Pinapakita ko yung mga kahirapan ko noong unang panahon. So, what's next? Clear naman. Thank you so much. You're clear. Thank you. So, parang feeling ko. So, yan. What causes aging? Um, what causes aging? So, for biological aging, ito naman yung na-inherit natin sa parents natin. So, maswerte tayo kung pinanganak tayo ng mga artista, like kung sina Lucy Torres, yung naging mom natin. Sure na kaagad na maganda yung anak, di ba? Pero, wala eh. Anak lang ako ng magulang ko eh. So, for us, it's like biological aging. It's influenced by our genes and how those genes are expressed in our body over time. So, yun, even our own bodies can produce something harmful. So, kahit anak pa tayo na Lucy Torres, in the long run, it can still produce all those harmful effects like free radicals. So, yeah. Free radicals naman, these are those. Tita ko si Lucy Torres. Sana all. Tita ko si Lucy Torres from her father's side. Oh, no, ang bongga naman ng naging example natin. Buti pa si Jen eh. May genes talaga ng ganda to eh. Sana yun. Tita ko si Lucy Torres from her father's side. Malayong malayo kasi yung nanay niya, kamukha niyang maganda. Oh, diba? Sana all. Buti na, kaya palang ganda din ni Jen eh. Matangos yung ilong. Ako, hindi talaga ako pinagpala ng ganyan eh.
Oo, hindi.
Ah!
Ang kamag-anak naman yung tatay niya pangit.
Grabe ka naman.
Yung nanay niya yung maganda.
Grabe, nag-explain pa eh, no? Pero nasa genes pa rin yun, Jen. Isama mo na, batin mo na din yung...
Nanaig kasi yung jeans ng nanay niya na mas maganda. Promise, hindi namin siya kamukha. Ibang-iba yung mukha niya. Maganda talaga yung nanay niya. Yun lang. Thank you.
Ganun pala, no? Sana all, no? Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya eh. Iba yung glow niya eh. Yun yung mga alam mo na maganda talaga. Kasi yung unang panahon, hindi pa kailangan ng mga plastic surgery, ng mga gluta, ng mga kung ano, kinakabatawan, diba? So, yun. Yun talaga yung totoong genes. May iba kasi na nag-claim ng genes, diba? Tapos biglang nagpa-plastic surgery pala eh, no? Pero si Lucy Torres, yun. Anak mo, sana naman dyan ka, alam ko naman kamag-anak mo talaga kasi kitang-kita naman sa mukha mo eh. Kung titingnan nyo guys si Jen, no? Parang may Spanish blood. Oh, fuck! Diba? So, yun. What causes our aging? Ano pa? Environment aging, photo aging, sun exposure. Oh, yes. Ang ito yung premature aging ng skin natin caused by prolonged na exposure sa ultraviolet, like sun. So, alam naman natin guys na 90% of premature aging is really caused by sun exposure. And mukhang masagana talaga tayo niyan dito sa Philippines. Kaya we really have to take care of our skin. Kaya pala yung mga Korean, ang gaganda ng skin. Kasi may time na nakasama ko sila sa, ano ba yun? Kung, I'm pretty sure si Ava din pumunta na din sa J-Park. May time na nagpunta ako ng J-Park na 90% na nandun, mga Korean. Feeling ko wala ako sa Philippines pag nandun ako sa J-Park na hotel sa Cebu. So, may kita mo yung mga Korean, pag nag-swimming sila sa swimming pool lang to, balot na balot talaga sila. So, siguro that's also the reason why they get to have that clear skin din. Kasi takot sila sa araw. Kasi they know very well na sun is one of the causes of aging. Grabe yung balot nila eh, no? Para silang nag-scuba diving sa swimming pool. At lahat sila, hindi lang isang Korean, siguro hundreds of Korean yung nandun. Naka-hat, yung swimming hat, naka-hat, naka-long sleeve, pati neck, pati mukha, covered. Yung hat kasama yung mukha covered. Pati yung legs nila, as in, lahat balot talaga. Ganun pala yung Korean, inaalagaan ng bongga yung skin. Pero I don't know, for me kasi I want to also enjoy the outdoors talaga. So I also um I just do my skincare and it helps me naman so far. And what else? Free radicals. So external triggers, damaging proteins. Yes, ito yung number one na content ng skin natin. Free radicals. Kasi ito yung nagbe-breakdown ng collagen and elastin, which are the building blocks that keeps our skin firm and youthful. So the solution, of course, is we need our skin. This is where we need to do our skincare and also have our antioxidants, mga supplements, mga collagen, and drink a lot of water. Sino dyan mahilig uminom ng tubig? We really need that in our body. As much as possible, I drink at least 1 liter every meal. I love water. Ganun ko ka-love yung water. And, yan. What else do we have here? There's a lot of products naman that we can use.
Create.
Yung question ko naman right now, how about you ladies? Ano yung product sa inyo na gamit nyo talaga? Or yung product that you really swear by? Ava, Jen, may product talaga. Isa lang, sorry naman. Kailangan ko yung pumili ng isa lang. It's a pinaka-best product nyo talaga. Gustong-gusto na you can't really live without. Ano ba yun?
Skincare product that I can't live without. Hirap naman pumili. Wala, retinol. Retinol ang go-to ko. If I have to choose retinol.
Talaga, kesa sa Bakutrol, mas maganda yung retinol. Yung Bakutrol ba yan? Ano yung, paano ulit na?
Bakutrol. Ano kasi siya eh? Well, kasi anti-aging yung age-lock retinol eh. So, kung medyo sensitive ka, you can go for Bakutrol. Pero for me, if I have to choose, age-lock retinol.
Iba din kasi pag age-lock eh, no? Oo.
Yeah.
Anything with age-lock.
Kita mo kagad yung results eh.
Ay, oo. Like, mapapansin ko sa skin ko na may times kasi na iba, parang nakakalimutan ko yung retinol ko pag nag-overnight ako sa auntie ko or pag nag-check-in sa hotel. Kakalimutan ko yung retinol. Iba yung glow pag may retinol. Parang yan talaga nagpapag-glass skin, no? Ang ganda eh. Pati ba sa neck?
Yeah.
Paano mo in-apply? Pati sa neck, pati... pwede hold body na.
Oo nga eh, di ba? Sa hands. Kailangan din sa hands.
Oo nga, no? Isa din sa mga...
Pero sa hands, moisturizer lang gamit ko.
Before, actually, yung ginamit ko is Soul Solution sa kamay ko. Kasi, hindi na siya kaya ng any lotion. Umabot ako sa point na hindi na tinatanggap ng kamay ko. Yung any lotion talaga. As in, oo, kasi siguro yung pagiging housewife, kailangan natin maging, syempre, hands-on talaga. So, yung kamay ko was really different. So, yun, hindi gumagana ng kahit anong lotion. Mga hand lotion, hindi gumagana sa akin. Pero yung Soul Solution. Kasi, alam mong hindi na, yung pangit na yung kamay mo. Kasi kung sugat-sugat. At in sobrang sugat-sugat talaga yun. Wala. Masyado ko kasing kinarrier maging housewife eh. In-enjoy ko din naman. Kaya, yun. Buti na lang may solutions tayo. Kasi kung hindi, kawawa naman yung kamay ko. Buti naman it's back to normal. So, I love it. So, yun. How about you, Jen? What's your favorite skincare product. Isa lang ha.
Age lock. Daya.
Age lock.
Lahat.
Ang dami namang age
Lahat.
lock.
Hindi kasi ano eh, parang, kunwari, yung skincare ha. So, parang I cannot live without Lumi Spa. For sure yon. Parang, yung pinaka-basic siguro yung pinaka-importante sa akin. So, yun. Yun lang. Thanks.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, for me, actually, ganun din. Lumis pa din. I mean, syempre mahirap din talaga pumili ng skincare product kasi parang it's mixture of a lot of skincare din bago natin achieve yung current skin natin. Diba? Pero, yes, for me, kung papapiliin talaga ako and something I can't really live without is Lumis pa talaga. So, ano yan? I'm gonna quickly share
Create
how
an
this
optimal
Lumis
balance
pa works.
between
Ano yan?
create an
Video.
optimal balance between glide and grip that ensures the correct contact
Yun. Diba? So, yun actually yung gusto ko sa Lumis pa is that how it cleanses our face. So, it really cleanses our face deep into the pores talaga of our skin. Kasi, what we put after cleansing our face, like all the skincare, all the retinol, and all skincare that we put on our face, hindi siya ma-absorb ng ayos um, do, if we don't cleanse our face well. So, yun. Kaya love na love ko talaga yung Lumis pa din. And for me, alam ko na whatever I put after, like if I put the makeup, mas maganda na yung lagay ng makeup pag maganda yung skincare natin. So, yun. Could I do a, what do you call this? Demo. I'll do a demo na lang kasi gagawin ko din naman to eh. So what I love with this Lumi Spa is that it's just 2 minutes. Ayun, may hawak na pala ako ng Lumi Spa dito. So this is how the Lumi Spa. Yes.
Coco, gusto mo i-stop share mo yung screen para mas malaki yung kita namin sa'yo?
Ano ba yun? Thank you. Ay, quickly share ko na lang din para di ko na ibalik yung screen. Ayan. So kanina, yung before ko is all those painful red spots on my face, pimples, those nana. And this is what happened after doing the skincare and doing the Lumis pa talaga yung feeling ko with 70% of the job in previous picture. So for me, I can really say yeah, Lumis pa really works for me. And yeah, actually. So sana yan. I'll just quickly stop for a second. Ayan. Stop. Ano ba? Ayan. Wala na, di ba?
Yeah, okay na.
Thank you. So yun, this is how the Lumi Spa looks like for those of you who haven't seen the Lumi Spa yet. We have the oscillation head. We have this head. It's medical grade. We have an oscillation technology that we use. So what I love with this, na-mention din to ng ano ba yun, ng isa sa mga scientists na nag-visit lang dito sa Philippines recently is yung maganda sa Lumi Spa is that it has that parang massage feeling. So na-mention niya na for us human, we always do mas exercise, diba? Nag-exercise tayo to keep our body healthy. So it's the same thing with our face. We also have to massage and exercise our face so our face can produce all those natural collagen in our skin. So yun. Pinagtuwa ko. So yes, we have this. This is how it looks like. And we also have one button lang, isang button lang yan. So it's pretty smart. You can connect to your phone. Isang press lang siya, and it automatically stops then when you're done. And we also have our cleanser. I'm using a normal combo cleanser. Kailangan ko. Normal combo cleanser. Ito naman yung mga, this is the usual cleanser that we use. So dapat yung cleanser lang na ito yung gagamitin natin. It's specifically designed talaga for the beauty spa. So our scientists, our experts also said that they have really gone through a lot of tests. So the right viscosity, tama lang talaga siya, that it can glide to our skin perfectly. Kasi yung iba, it's either thin or too thick. So it's just perfect for our skin. So yeah, now I'm using moisturizer. And yeah, just turn it on. Oh my God. Sarap. Pag lapat pa lang sa face ko, feel mo na sarap siya sa face. So I start on my forehead. What I like pag nagsa-start sa forehead, kasi dito kasi yung hindi masyadong madumi. So gusto ko start kung saan hindi masyadong madumi pa. Para hindi nakahalo sa ibang part ng face. Ayun. And the second part, whenever you connect this din sa phone mo, it also shows there kung pwede kang mag-next or kung saan part ka ng face mo. Or it's also up to you on how you want to use the LumiSpa as well. May mga times na I also focus on one area lang kung saan kailangan talaga ng cleansing. Ayan na. You can hear that beep, beep, beep sound. It means that you should move to the next part. Yeah. For me, actually, depende. Like, kung nasa heavy makeup ako, I do like twice na 2 minutes. Pero actually, 2 minutes is already good enough. Pero kung minsan, kasi nakaka-addict ng LumiSpa eh. Kaya minsan, twice ko siyang ginagamit. So, kailangan talaga ng skin. Yeah. And it's pretty smart. Alam mo kung nagmamadali ka, or if you're too hard on your skin, it automatically stops too. So you can just glide it slowly. It does its job. Yan. Stop. Ang dilit. Hindi naman dumi. Ew. Think about how dirty it is. Ew! Sorry, guys. Mga hindi pa yan yung dumi sa face ko right now. So yan. What I love about this then is that madali lang siyang hugasan. All I have to do is just rinse it sa sink. And it's medical grade. And so madali lang siyang malinis. Unlike if we use brush. Pag mga brush kasi kitang-kita mo na nandyan pa rin yung dumi kahit anong linis mo. So it's not hygiene. So that's what I love with this. It's very hygienic. It's also at the same time it is it's also safe for our skin. Kasi what's sad, yung mahirap sa brush, it's that it's very harsh on our skin na nagkakaroon tayo ng micro tears sa face which can do more harm than good to our skin. So, yan. It's better if I rinse this sa sink. So actually, that's it. Yes, that's it. So that's our topic for tonight. I just shared to you tonight my favorite um device with new skin. It's my favorite product. It's something that I can't live without. I can really tell. I can really tell that it works perfectly. So yun. I'll just rinse it sa, sa CR na lang. Pero what I love with this is that people can really see how much it really helps me. Especially, I mean, like, yung maganda kasi sa mga products natin is that it shows really within, I mean, it really shows in you na you're using the right products. Unlike for others, parang tansya lang sila ng mga products. So, yun. I really love this product. So, I wish if you guys are here in Manila, we're happy to invite you to our center, which is in Ortigas. You can get a skincare for free there. Let us know every Saturday. We're there naman. So if you wanted to try this Lumi Spa, you can reach out to whoever invited you or shared to you this video. We're there. So yes, ayun, Ava sa 7 benefits na kasi agad quantify system. Yes. So aside sa it cleanses our face, what I love is that it also treats our skin at the same time. We have 7 different, we also have benefits as well with that. So if you'd like to know more, we can share to you the what do you call this? We have some videos that we can share to you, or you can reach us, and we'll be happy to give you more information about this product. So yes, that's it for tonight. Anything you'd like to share? Any feedback you have about the Lumi Spa? And yeah, just know. Ava, may to share ka pa ba? Jen? Marley?
All good. Thanks, Coco.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, then. Thank you for staying. Thanks for watching live. And thank you. Have a great one. Good night. Medyo bumabagyo dito sa amin. Narinig ko
Oh
yung...
gosh, ingat. Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Thank you. Ingat and bye.